In this video, I'm going to show you how to scale your online business using AdsDog.ai. AdsDog is an instant video generator, which means all you simply have to do is input your product link, and with a single click of a button, you can generate a marketing video in just 1 second, which means no more tedious video editing, and this alone saves you a lot of time on your project. And so they have a ton of templates you can choose from depending on your project needs, such as formal branding videos, viral cut videos tailored for platforms like TikTok, effective ad creatives, or promo videos for platforms like Facebook ads, Google ads, and others. And also, they have templates for concise product highlights for major e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and others. And that's not even all. They have diverse avatars you can choose from, which means you can target any market worldwide effectively. And as you can see right here, they have advanced human-like AI voiceovers, which means you don't have to hire a voiceover or a scriptwriter. This AI tool is going to do all that hard work for you. And as you can see here, they have over 15 languages you can choose from, which also means you can target users in any region of the world. And as you can see here, they have inbuilt AI video editor, which means you can use this tool to even make your marketing videos even better. Here are some reasons why AdsDog.ai is by far the best platform to generate instant viral videos with one click. It has AI-powered product parsing, which means all you simply have to do is to copy your product link, and once you paste it in this box and click on pass link, it's going to instantly pass product information, which includes photos, videos, and key features from your product link, saving you a lot of time on content creation. And secondly, it has multilingual and global market targeting, which means they offer multiple languages, as you can see right here, which means you can then target any global market. You see, AdsDog.ai analyzes your product and is going to pinpoint the most suitable target audience for your product. And the third reason is the diverse range of template library you can find on this platform, which means they have a lot of pre-made templates you can use for advertisement or promotion on mainstream platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. And also they have product presentations optimized for leading e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Amazon. And another reason to use this platform is the versatility in avatar options they give to you. As you can see right here, with these avatars, you can target diverse audience, product categories, and scenarios tailored for engagement, which is then going to make your videos more engaging and make you more sales on your video promotions. And lastly, as I mentioned earlier, you are going to get human-like voiceover using this tool. And also they have inbuilt AI video editing, which you can then use to create amazing editing, such as easy video customization, overlays, transitions, and seamless audio integration. At the end of the day, AdsDog.ai gives you time efficiency, as you can now create professional marketing videos quickly with just one click, which drastically reduces your video production time. And it's also cost-effective and a very affordable alternative to hiring professional video editors, scriptwriters, and voiceover artists, which makes this tool by far the best option suited for businesses of all sizes. And this also makes this platform the best option for small businesses. And just like I said before, AdsDog.ai provides affordable, high-quality video marketing solutions for startup and small enterprises, especially those in home appliances, electronics, and apparel category. And also, if you're an independent developer, you can be sure that using AdsDog.ai is going to enhance your product visibility and market presence. And finally, if you're a marketing agency, AdsDog.ai is definitely capable and will provide you efficient tools to develop compelling advertisements and promo videos for your diverse client needs. So to get started with AdsDog.ai and try it out for free, you want to click on the first link in the description, which is then going to bring you to their website. And all you need to do from here is to click on generate videos for free. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where it's then going to ask you to create your account. All you need to do from here is to click on the sign in button and you'll be able to create a free account. And once you create an account, your dashboard should look like this. And this is where you'll be able to create a viral video from your product link. And as you can see here, you can generate a link from your TikTok shop, Amazon store, Shopify store. And here's an example of a Shopify store right here. And as you can see, they are selling various products on their platform, as you can see right here. So basically, you can create very amazing Shopify store like this. And all you need to do to create an amazing store like this is to go over to shopify.com and you can create a store in any industry. If you don't want to use Shopify, you can definitely come over to Amazon and create an Amazon store. Once you create a store on Amazon, you'll be able to grab a product from your store and you can then generate a video right away. So I'm going to take this store here as an example, and we are going to be taking this Amazon product here as an example. As you can see, this is a Canon camera product, and all we need to do is to copy the link to this Amazon product. So once we copy the link, all we need to do is to paste in the link here, and we want to click on pass link. And as you can see right here, instantly AdsDog has imported all the products from that store, including images and videos. And all we need to do from here is to then come over to this target audience. This is where you can then select the audience you are targeting. Okay, so once you select the audience you are targeting here, all you then need to do from here is to scroll down to the language section. And this means whatever language you select here, this is going to be the language spoken in the video. We are going to leave it as English and you want to click on next. Once you do that, as you can see here, in just a couple of seconds, it has generated a script for us, which is then going to be included in our video. All you then need to do from here is to click on next. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you are going to be shown various avatar, and you can select any avatar of your choice depending on your target audience or your product needs. Okay, you can also come over to this section and click on this icon and you are going to hear the sound of this avatar. Once you select any avatar, is to then click on next. So for me, I'm going to select this avatar here and I'm going to click on next. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you can now preview the content of your video. So as you can see here, there are a lot of templates you can choose from depending on the style of video you want. As you can see, we have user comment on sticker, we have avatar product teaser and other options right here. And also, if you want to change your avatar, you can always come back here and change your avatar. And if you want to change the background music as well, you can do that, and you can click on this icon here to preview the music. And if you don't want any music in the video at all, you can click on this section that says no music. And also you can come here and select the type of caption or subtitle you want. So once you select any of this option, all you need to do is to come back here, and also you can click on this edit more button. As you can see, you can edit this video to however you like it. You can even come over to this section and you can change the transition to however you want it. You can switch the video or whatever text you want by clicking on this photo button. As you can see here, once you click on that, you can replace that footage with whatever photo or video of your choice. So basically, you can customize this video to your liking, and you can also come over to this section here. Like I said, you can change the music. You can select any music of your choice right here, or you can remove music completely. So once you're done making whatever changes you want, all you simply need to do from here is to then click on render. And once you do that, it's then going to bring you to this page where it's going to ask you to either export with watermark or to remove the watermark. And this is where I highly recommend to click on export without watermark. And if you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and I highly recommend to select one of the plans here. It's not only going to remove the watermark from the video, it's also going to give you a lot of points which you can use to generate videos. And as you can see here, they are currently giving away 50% discount if you go for the yearly plan, which is then going to cost you just $21 every single month. And that alone makes this tool cost effective and a very affordable alternative compared to spending thousands of dollars in generating viral videos. So once you subscribe to any of the plans, you'll be able to export your videos without watermark. and this should take about 2 to 5 minutes. And once your video has been exported, all you just need to do is to click on download.
Low light, this camera shines in the dark. Vloggers, this is your new best friend. I highly recommend the EOS R50 for tech lovers.
So instead of spending so much money and time creating promotional videos, why not use AdsDog.ai to create these videos for you in just one click? So I highly recommend to use this tool to create professional level viral videos for your products, be it from Amazon or from your Shopify store. This tool is more than capable to create viral and converting videos for your promotions.